How to give access to Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can give access to other people on Google Forms. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to Google and search for Google Forms, and this is the Google Forms that you want. So just click on it, and once you click on that, you need to sign in with the account that has either already created the Google Form or from which you wish to create a Google Form. So just click on sign in, and this particular email would be the owner of your Google Forms first. So just click on that, and after that you'll be redirected to an interface that will look something like this. So here you can either pick any template and create a form, or you can create a form from scratch, or you can even just go and just manipulate or change your recent forms. So for example, this is the recent form that I created for a survey. So just select a form and you'll be redirected to the form. Here what you're going to do is click on this icon over here, and that is basically the share icon. And then shortly after that, it will just take some time in order to load, and once it's loaded you'll be able to see something like this. So what you're going to do is type down the email of the person that you wish to share this form with. So you can just type down their email, and once you click on their email, oops, I got a typo, so I'm just going to type in okay. Now then after that, just press enter, and here is like you can select whether you want the person to be responder or you want them to be the editor. So you can just select any of these, or you can even type them a message for them to send. And once you click on settings, you can see that what you want them to have, like if you want them to have the editor rights or you want them to have the viewer rights. And once done, you can even copy the link from here and then just click on send. So you can just click on send, and then the person will get an email in order to accept the invitation to access the form. So you can just even copy the link from here and send the link to them, and then they can access that. So that is basically how you can give access to someone else on Google Forms. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.